Hi guys, I'm Bree, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a crafting table in Minecraft. First, you're just going to want to launch your world and wait for it to load. So the crafting table is the root of everything in this game. You need to have a crafting table to make literally anything. So how you're going to want to make that is just go over and punch a tree. You're just going to hold it until one breaks. All you need is one, and then you're going to click E or whatever keybind you have to open your inventory. And literally all you have to do is come over here, place it, and then get the wooden planks. And there you go. Now you have the crafting table. All you have to do to use it is place it down somewhere, can be literally anywhere, and right click and open it, and on the side here you'll have all different recipes. Usually it only shows you the ones that you are able to currently make at the time, but I am in creative mode, so that's why I can see all of this. And yeah, that is how you make a crafting table in Minecraft. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!